The 5 hidden facts about elephants you never knew. 1. Elephants can communicate through vibrations, sensing sounds from miles away via their feet. 2. Their trunks have over 40,000 muscles, making them incredibly versatile and dexterous tools. 3. Elephants display emotions like grief, joy, and compassion, forming deep social bonds within herds. 4. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, showcasing their intelligence and self-awareness. 5. Elephants are known to help other species, showing empathy and altruism towards other animals. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.